all washable. Second of all, non-slip. Third of all, large. Fourth of all, Temp-tations, gorgeous. Problem is that we are only down to these 3 colors. We started with 8. We're down to 3, but these are 3 goodies.
Yes.
The yellow. Do we have an overhead over here? Nope. The blue. And that bright, beautiful red.
Look
oh,
at
and we
that.
also have black. Oh, we have black left? Okay, yep, we do have black left.
Great neutral.
Very nice. It's a nice, it's black. We call it black, but it's like charcoal. It's a nice gray with the black. That's a beautiful neutral. Now, over 35,000 of these have been sold.
Yes.
This price is phenomenal, $24.50 for this, but wait until we get into all of the details. Let's do it.
This is about the construction, right? So this is Temp-tations quality. So I just want to say a couple things right here. Look how beautiful the pattern is woven on right there. Absolutely gorgeous. And then it is bound. This is what you see. I'm just going to hold it right here, you guys. This is what you see in fine rugs, the binding right there. You can see the woven screen print right there. I'm going to flip it over so now you can see the back. A couple of things. The little nubbies on the back, that's a technical term, by the way, that not only give you that squish so that every time you step on it, you get that nice squish, but it keeps it from moving. Then I'm going to come on over to the side right here because I want to show you. This is machine washable. You know, mats are meant to get dirty. That's why we call them mats, because you literally have them in front of places that get dirty. This right here, you're going to take off, put it right into the washing machine, take the whole thing off. Make sure you save that right there, okay? Put it in the washing machine. I let mine air dry right on top of the dryer. But then there's another feature right here where I can take just the plastic off the top of here. See that?
Yes.
And this is sticky. So now it will stick to my floor and will not move.
Right.
Because what happens with mats, they move all the time.
Yes.
This will not hurt your floors. It's great for anybody who you're worried about slipping or your mat slipping.
It's in, and you know what it is? It's that I don't want anybody to think that it's gonna, it's gonna like stick to the floor and it's gonna, it's not, because it's not glue.
No.
It is just something that's gonna make it non-slip. It's gonna grip.
Yes.
It's a grip. It's not glue. So this is fantastic in the sense that it's gonna stay grippy.
Yes.
So just so you have an idea, it's not a piece of glue that it's going to get old on you and then it's going to stop sticking.
No, I've had these for years, literally under my kitchen sink, as well as in front of my oven, as well as at my front door. I literally wash mine about once a week, especially at the front door this time of the year. You like the leaves, the mulch, everything comes in. This is something everybody needs in their house.
It is, because usually, okay, so 3 dozen out the door already. Usually, how often do you wash your, like, never? I mean,
Right.
never. They're not washable. Your front door mat or even your kitchen mats that really also get super gunky because whether you like it or not, things are dropping, things are spilling. In this case, no matter if you spilled a whole pot of sauce on this, you can take it and throw it in the washing machine 1, 2, 3, and then it's good as new.
It's amazing.
And you don't have to go out and buy a new one. And that's the thing.
right.
Usually it's like, oh, okay, this one's ruined. I have to go out and buy a new one. And they're usually not even under $25 for a mat like this. The size is nice and it's big.
Yeah, 2 by 3.
2 by 3.
For sure, for sure. And I want you to think about right now, every door in your home, every entrance, every exit. Also think about your bathrooms. Maybe pick up 2 for under your sink, outside your shower. We are retiring this item. That's why it's this amazing value.
Yeah.
But the colors are beautiful. So when we say blue, look at the highs and lows with the pops of the white.
Yeah.
Like this is how you add some personality into a room as well.
I am a red beyond.
Do you love red?
Red is my favorite color beyond belief. Except right now I'm obsessed with that with the color of the year, which is that magenta fuchsia.
Magenta,
but regardless,
yes.
but red will always be my #1. This is I'm married to red. So this color is so beautiful. And I feel like red is such a perfect color for the kitchen. But also, can you imagine having this at your front door on the inside or on the outside? Because I like to have a mat on the inside too, of like the back door.
Yes,
right?
me too.
This is really great for that, or even outside.
A porch,
and then on the
covered
porch.
walkway. Love that. I love the yellow. I love the red. I love the blue. And the black, I think, is really great. Even if you have an office and you want to put your chair on something so it glides easier on your carpeting or floors, think about that black for your office.
Or also sometimes if you're always barefoot or something at home, I think
Yes.
about this all the time, and you have like a hardwood floor or whatever it is, put this under that work station so that your feet are always comfy. What's great is that it does have some squish to you, so it's going to
Yes.
help you be comfortable in the kitchen. Washable, it's a non-slip. It has these really great grips on the end, and then you can take them off to wash it as many times as you want. 7 dozen out the door now. These are the last 4 colors that we have left. This is the red. Here's your yellow. That's the blue, and we also have the black for you. 3 easy payments of $8.17 for this one. We're saving $10.50 on this. It's fantastic.